Hello everyone, this is my review on the wakooshi test tube cleaners. So this is what wakooshi sends you when you order the test tube cleaner kit thing. So it comes with one small one, show that up to the camera. One small one, it's about the size of a 15 hand comparison. Just big enough to do a 15 by 18 test tube. You've got a really long one with a thick end. You've got this one here, which is slightly more firmer bristles. Got this one that's got softer bristles, and it's got a little end thing to do the bottom of the test tube. And that's it. This doesn't come with it. This is just something I grabbed to pull the cotton wool out. As well as this doesn't come with it. It's just this. Let me grab the test tubes for you now. So here's 3 dirty test tubes, all different sizes. So you got a really wide one that's been used in the past, glass, a long and thin one which has been used in the past, glass, and the standard 15 by 18. Stay still. There we go. 15 by 18. So what I'm going to do is just take this out, the cotton wool, take it out, put it there. Grab my cup for disposing the water. Chuck the water in there. And then that's what it looks like. Not really that dirty to see on the camera, to be fair, but what I like to do is to put the larger one in first, so it just goes in dead easy, and you just scrape it up and down. We'll then use the smaller one, which has got the feathered end bit there. I put that in there, twist it so the bottom gets scraped, go in and out a bit there, and then the firmer bristle one, I put that in there and just scrape that in, and then we give it a deep clean with the smaller one in there. So you just chuck it in. It's not like you've still got spinning room, but it's good to get a grip on the entire test tube, like a good scrub on one side. That's how much grime that's lifted off. We'll rinse that off in a second, and you can see the before and after. So like that's before. Get my little skewer. This is what they put barbecue skewers on. I'll make sure it's metal, as the wooden ones tend to snap, which I have experienced before, and I don't like it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, black mold. I shouldn't have let these test tubes last so long, to be fair. Oh well. Just asking for problems. Right, this is where the test becomes, because you've got long ones, and obviously these are long enough, but that one, I'm not even going to try and use that one. So we go with this one, see if this one reaches all the way to the bottom, which it does, surprisingly. It does reach all the way along to the bottom, to the longest of test tubes. Give it a quick spin, quick in and out action. Use this one, only just fits in properly. It's better to give some pressure. Give some pressure on all the sides, and then obviously this one's gonna fit in like perfectly, and just that's all you have to do. Just keep doing that sort of motion. Scrape the bottom again. Comes in with a little key ring as well, which is I'm a big fan of that. The key ring, massive fan. So that's it. So literally hook onto the hook. You can't lose all of them. That's the test tube afterwards. Rinse that out and you'll see the difference. Now, this one is a challenge because, well, it's same length, but it's a hell of a lot wider. Dropping water everywhere. This is why you don't leave your test tubes hanging. Chuck that in there. I'll sterilise my desk afterwards. There's a bit of dirt here because I just did my what's it called? Showing off all my ants, what I keep. So again, chucking that one in there. Get that one to the bottom. Just gotta fiddle around with this, and then there we go. Get that to the bottom. Scrape around it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it, whatever you do. Okay, that should be good enough. Get this one in there, start scrubbing. Nice, this one in there. Oh, it fits in properly. It's meant to. So you just rub that in there. All that pushing to the bottom there, that's good, that'll all rinse out. Chuck this one back in, disturb all that again. Move it all about. Good stuff, good stuff. Right, now it's time to rinse them all. Including this, wash this after every few test tubes you do. Depends how dirty the test tubes are. Right, I'm going to cut after rinsing them and I'll show you what they look like. Right, so I'm immediately back from rinsing them. This is what the smaller test tube looks like. As you can tell, it's still got water in it. So up close, there we go. It's completely spotless. Oh, focus. Completely spotless. That's the plastic normal sized. This is the glass long one, about 5 inches long. Yeah, that's the glass. That's spotless as well, considering what it was. And for the one that was covered in sand, absolutely covered, here it is. That's how clean it is. That's how amazing it does. It's obviously got a bit of grime on it. That's exterior, so that's nothing to worry about. You can tell there, look. Oh, you actually can't see on the camera, but you can just scrape it. Oh, you could have saw it then. You can just scrape that off. So that's exterior. Other than that, that's spotless. That is amazing. Dead cheap, less than a £5 to buy these on Wakooshi. I'll drop a link to their website below, as well as Ants HQ, because they are good dealers. So if you're looking to buy ants, Ants HQ is the man to be. So yeah, that's it. That's them. They can do anything. Every single test tube you throw at them, which is amazing. So I hope you really like the review. I hope they you know, it's gave you, made your mind up to buy them if you're like looking. I know no one else has done a review on these before. Same as the Nest 3.5 MS. No one's done a review on that, so I'm just doing reviews that no one's done before because this is the looking for I was doing, so I might as well do it myself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is CRONUS Ants, and goodbye. Take care, you all.